Hello friends! Today we will learn how to introduce ourselves. When we meet new friends or teachers, we should tell them a little bit about us. Let's learn step by step. Step 1. Greeting and name. First, say hello and tell your name. Example, hello everyone. My name is Ria. Step 2. Age and class. Next, tell your age and which class you are in. Example, I am 6 years old. I study in class 1. Step 3. Things you like. Now, share something about your favorite things. Example, my favorite color is blue. I like to eat mangoes. I love to play football. Step 4. About family. You can also tell about your family. Example, there are 4 members in my family. My father's name is Raj. My mother's name is Simran. I have 1 younger brother. I love my family. Step 5. More fun questions. You can also answer some extra questions to make your introduction more interesting. Who is your best friend? Example, my best friend is Shemaya. We play together every day. What do you want to be when you grow up? Example, I want to be a doctor. What is your hobby? Example, my hobby is drawing and coloring. Step 6. Closing line. Finally, end your introduction with a thank you. Example, this was all about me. Thank you. Great job, friends. Now let's revise all the steps together. First, say your name. Then, tell your age and class. After that, share your favorite things. Then talk about your family. Then answer fun questions like your best friend, your hobby, or what you want to be. And lastly, say thank you. Now friends, it's your turn. Try practicing in front of the mirror or with your parents. The more you practice, the more confident you will be. So friends, how was today's video? Did you enjoy learning self-introduction? If yes, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. See you in the next video.